Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got WDC down almost 11%, over 140,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. RCL down almost 7%, over 300,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. Apple had earnings yesterday, down over 2%, almost 700,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's get to it. All right, we are short WDC at 40.28. We think this thing cracks 40 and goes down to 39. That's what we'll take it. Stop loss will be 41. Here we go. All right, looks like it's struggling here. Let's take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out. We took about a little over 60 cents. It's still dropping there, but market's climbing here. This thing has dropped quite a bit. Apple, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. All right, we are in. Looks pretty strong here, even though it dropped yesterday after earnings, but market's climbing. I don't see why this thing don't climb with the market. Stop loss will be below 288, and we're almost there. But we're not going to jump out of it right when it gets there because the market is climbing. We're going to wait. If we look at the daily here, the daily looks really good. It's been uptrending nicely. It had earnings, but we got a real nice fat green candle at the open here. Target on this thing, I like it well over 291 if we can get it there. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's on the move here. Keep my eye on the market. It is down for today, so if the market starts to get weak, we're just going to come out of this. We're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. It's struggling there. I think it should have popped over 290 already, and it didn't, so we're just going to take this. We're just going to take these 25 cents here. Oh, there it is. Now it's popping over 290. ZM. This is looking good here for a short after it gets over 141. There we go. All right, let's short this right here. Right, we are short ZM at 141.25. This thing has extended itself quite a bit here from the open. So we're going to see if we can get a pullback to at least 140.25 area. Stop loss will be over 142 area. It's always about the area. If you put a price on it, I don't know, doesn't work for me. I like areas, and then once it gets to the area, you let it fluctuate there for a second. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Another 65 cents or so there. I should have probably waited because it looks like it's dropping here. Look at that thing drop now. Nice huge topping tail, and then it started to drop there, you know. But you got to be careful when you're shorting a stock that's up this much. You know, sometimes it's best to take what you can. All right, we are short Facebook. This thing is extremely extended here. Let's see if we can get a point off of this. Target will be 204.15, maybe more. And stop loss will be over 206. But this thing has been pumping since the open here. We got 5 green candles here. We think it gets a pullback here. Market's dropping. Market just put in a real big fat red candle, so it should help bring this sucker down, I think. All right, here it comes. All right, Facebook, it's flexing a little bit here, but market's dropping hard right now. I think it's just going to put on a little show here, and then it's just going to drop and follow the market. All right, it's flexing here. It hasn't stopped flexing. So we're going to see what happens in the next candle, see if it continues to climb or if it drops. We think it drops, but we'll see how hard it drops. We'll either come out at entry or we'll see if we can grab something out of this. We're coming up on our stop area here, but I'm not going to come out of it. Not yet. I'm going to wait for a red candle, see what happens after that. This thing can't sustain all this green here. It just can't. Okay, here we go. Now it's pulling back. All right, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. We're up. All right, smaller loss. It's just strong. It should have pulled back already in this candle, I'm thinking. And it didn't, so it's probably going to climb a little bit higher here. So we took a, what is that, a 20-cent loser. WDC, this thing looks like it's going to drop here, so we're going to take this for another short. All right, we got 100 shares at 39.15. I don't think we're going to get any more. All right, we'll just keep the 100 here. So target on this thing is going to be, I like 38, and we'll see what happens. We might pick up some more if it climbs, or we might just get out of it at 40. Not sure. We'll see what happens with the market. Let's take a look at this thing up close. WDC, we're going to take another 100 shares right here at the ask, short. Alright, we are in. So target on this thing now is probably going to be around 38.80 area, because it's moving kind of slow, so we'll see what happens here. The market's dropping. If you look at the SPY, the market's dropping. So we got a little bit of tailwind here. That's why I decided to go in this with an extra 100. But we'll see. We'll play this out here. I'm not sure how far we'll go with this. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like this trade anymore. I'm going to push this up a little bit. Alright, we're out. This should have dropped already. It's not dropped. The market was dropping for a little bit. This thing was turning green here, so it's best just come out of that. We took, what is that, 25-cent loss on that. Look at it. It's blasting off here now. Good thing we got out of it. Apple was short at 296.30. We think this is going to pull back hard here after this really nice rally from the lows here, from the open. It opened, it just blasted right off. So we think this is going to drop. We look at the SPY. The SPY is about to take out the lows. So we think we can at least get a point off of this. Target's going to be 295 area, and stop loss will be over 297 area. But I think if the market continues to drop here, it is Friday, so it was a good week. So we think it'll sell off today, the market, and Apple should drop too. All right, it's going to take out 296. Come on. Apple's coming down to us. We got about 60 cents here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking good. Market's about to hit the lows again. All right, let's just take this right here if we can. Struggling a little bit there. Come on. All right, we're out of 100. Oh, no, we're full out. We're full out. We took, what is that? A little over 70 cents. I'll take that. And it looks ready to pump back up again. So it's a good thing we got out of it. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't see anything else here that looks good. The market's just chopping around at the lows. We're just going to keep it green here. We're up 247. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on Apple and our biggest loser on WTC. Thanks for watching.